Sing, O muse, of the doom of Troy, a tale of beauty, pride, and ruin. It began not with swords, but with a choice. On Mount Ida, the prince Péris was called to judge the goddesses. Hera promised power, Athena promised victory, but Aphrodite promised love. The love of Helen, the fairest woman alive. Péris chose beauty, and in that choice he sealed the fate of his city. Helen, queen of Sparta, left her husband's hall for Péris of Troy. When she was taken, the oath of Greece was bound. From every land, kings and heroes rose. Agamemnon, the proud high king, cunning Odysseus of many wiles, and Achilles, swiftest and fiercest of men. 1,000 black ships sailed across the wine-dark sea to face King Priam and his son Hector, who stood as Troy's shield as Helen entered the gates of a city destined for ruin. Then began 10 long years of war. On the plain before Troy, spears clashed and the earth drank blood. Achilles raged like fire, untouchable in his fury, while Hector fought with honor, protecting his people. From Olympus, the gods themselves looked down, dividing heaven's will between Greeks and Trojans. But tragedy deepened when Patroclus, dearest companion of Achilles, fell by Hector's hand. Grief became wrath, and Achilles returned to battle with vengeance beyond measure. At Troy's gates he met Hector in single combat. Steel rang, earth shook, and Hector fell. Priam wept for his son, for in Hector's death the heart of Troy was broken. Yet still the city's walls endured, until Odysseus, master of cunning, conceived a gift, a great horse of wood, hollow within, left at Troy's gates as the Greek ships sailed away. Believing victory won, the Trojans rejoiced. They dragged the horse inside their walls, feasting through the night, blind to their doom. At midnight, Greek warriors crept from the horse's belly, opened the gates, and the army returned. Fire consumed the golden towers, temples crumbled, and screams filled the dark. King Priam fell in his palace, and proud Troy, jewel of the East, was reduced to ash and silence. Yet from her ashes, legends lived on. Aeneas carried his father into the dawn, fated to begin a new line, a new city, a new world. And so the name of Troy endures forever, a story of love and betrayal, of pride and vengeance, of glory and ruin, the rise, the pride, the fall of Ilium.